Welcome. My name is Kathy, and I've got a slight problem. I just can't help it. I was born with a pencil in my hand. I get ideas and I love to create, and today I want to share some of these ideas with you. So let's get started. This is my pool house that I want to build, and I've been dreaming about this for a long time. Indoor pool, wide open to the house. This is a 25 by 20 foot with an open plan with a patio, and there's a little partition there to block off a sleep area. Nice big patio as well. Now here is my design of a 20 by 35 foot, 2-story with a swimming pool option. I have a thing for the water and swimming. So they're just options. And the upstairs is the activities or a guest house where you can do just about anything you want. Have fun, games, dancing, classes, whatever you want. Now this is a 20 by 40 foot with an optional loft you can put up there. It's 2-bedroom and an open area for the living and kitchen area. Here we have a 35 by 35 foot, 2-bedroom home with a fireplace and a patio. It could be a den, or you can have a patio. Now I decided to do a dome home. It's 2 stories and it's 35 feet with a pool indoor. And you've got to try to keep the round, going throughout the whole home. So you've got a round kitchen, a round bed, a hot tub that's round, and stairs goes up to an overview of the pool below. And again, you try to keep it in the round. Pull down beds, partitions, a kitchenette. Now here we have a 20 by 40 foot, 1-bedroom, and you have options of a loft, a den loft, hot tub, pool, or patio. There's a cottage for you. It's 1-bedroom with the pool and or the guest house options. And here's the actual activity center, 25 by 25 with a patio. So you could do a lot of things here. Convert it and make it a studio, man cave, girl cave, whatever you want. And I've done these on Home Styler. That's an website where you can actually decorate, because that's also a passion of mine. Now here I went a little out on a limb and I did an all-in-one complex with an indoor pool. As you come in the entrance, you come over a bridge over the pool, which you jump into. And there's an courtyard in the middle where you got the living space, you've got a guest apartment, and also activities as well. So want one of these? Now here's just a small 18 by 30 studio with a patio option. It's got the pull down bed and a living area, kitchen, and nice big bathroom with a wardrobe. Now here's a simple 16 by 32 simple condo. And you could put, additional condos on each side of this one and make it a triplex. Oh, which one would you like? Just let me know and I'll design one for you. Or you can come and collect one of these from here. And all I'm asking for is a donation. And also, if you want to know more, you can take a tour of Peaceful Valley, a city I developed. So I hope to see you there, and thanks for watching.